Hello, I'd like to rent a car for next week.
Certainly. When do you need it, and for how long?
From Monday, June 10th to Friday, June 14th. So, 5 days.
Perfect. And which type of car are you interested in?
What options do you have?
We have economy cars from £25 per day, compact cars from £35, sedans from £45, and SUVs from £65 per day.
What's the difference between economy and compact?
The economy is a smaller car, like a Fiat 500, good for city driving. The compact is slightly bigger, like a VW Golf, more comfortable for longer trips.
I'll be driving to Scotland, so maybe the compact is better. Does that price include insurance?
It includes basic insurance, but I'd recommend our full coverage for long trips. It's an extra £12 per day.
What does full coverage include?
It covers all damage to the vehicle, theft protection, and reduces your excess from £1,000 to zero.
That sounds worth it. So the total would be £47 per day, times 5 days, £235?
Exactly. Plus, we require a £200 deposit, which will be refunded when you return the car in good condition.
Okay. Do you offer unlimited mileage?
Yes, all our rentals include unlimited mileage.
Great, I'll take it.